Hey. What have you been doing?
Picking my nose.
Happy tomatoes!
Space for tomatoes.
On the other half of the guitar. So for those of you that were a part of the discussion on how to finish it, I opted to go with just linseed oil, and it was a good decision. This wood grain is beautiful. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick up on it, but it looks like it's silky. The different grains in it. My first remodel.
I'm so excited about the mushroom compost that has saved my garden from all of the hail damage. Thank you to those who contribute to the composting manufacturing plants, because it saved my plants. There was a lady who came up in our, she's like a proficient gardener in our area who grows these beautiful, like, awesome geraniums and like, anyway, gorgeous greenhouse. She's got this little stove in there. It's so cute. Anyway, I've always been kind of jealous of her garden as I walk by and see it. And last night she came by. She was walking by with her husband and her 2 dogs. She's like, "Are those tomato plants?" I said, yeah. I actually had my mouth full of this awesome, like, Punjabi Bertha, like, it's like a non-wrap. So good. Anyway, I was talking to her with a full mouth. Anyway, I said, yes, those are tomatoes. She's like, all of mine died from the hail, and I'm sorry, but I'm just not happy for you. I was like, yeah, only like 2
Well
or 3,
then.
2 or 3 survived, but you know, whatever. Baguettes from the French pastries in Manitou. Snacks. Some spinach dip, some candied jalapenos.
Satisfaction. Oh my gosh, we met Mr. Musso of Musso Farms a couple years ago, and we always shop at his produce stand. I'm so excited to go to the Pueblo Chili Festival and get probably 3 bushels Pueblo chilies.
Roasted.
Roasted Pueblo chilies.
Like me.
Roasted. Like our whole neighborhood. Roasted. What'd you find?
Pueblo green chili rotini made from Musso Farms on Pueblo. Seminole flour, water, and Pueblo green chili powder. I'm gonna have to try that.
Playing a gig this coming weekend, a little acoustic set. Just Shayla and I.
And an art gallery. So yeah, just for tips and just because we haven't played music together in a while. And yeah, it's fun.
It'll actually be our first show outside of metal together.
That'd be interesting.
Every Thursday there's a drum circle for anybody to show up, bring drum, bring a didgeridoo, a flute, what have you. Found this rock pile. These 4 were our contributions. Strawberry, banana, cucumber, a little bit of cashew milk.
Wheatgrass.
It's delicious. about wraps up August. Drum circles, food, and happy dog baths in the river.